We've all heard the saying, if at first you don't succeed, try again. But how many of us are able to keep trying without giving ourselves a hard time for not succeeding on the first effort? So, engineers, it's time to learn how to silence our inner critic by using self-compassion techniques. We'll cover what self-compassion is, its benefits, and how embracing this concept can help us be more resilient when school and life throw us curveballs. It's important to acknowledge the common tendency to be self-critical. High-achieving individuals often experience imposter syndrome, the feeling that their successes and achievements are the result of luck. It's often accompanied by the fear that others will inevitably find out they aren't so smart or talented after all. People experiencing imposter syndrome are compelled to strive for perfection in everything they do. While there is nothing wrong with putting forward your best effort, research suggests that students who are overly self-critical of their performance are prone to increased risk of depression and anxiety disorders. Psychologists who study the effects of imposter syndrome on mental health focus on self-compassion, one's awareness and acceptance of imperfection. Self-compassion has three main components: mindful awareness, self-kindness, and common humanity. Studies have found that self-compassion helps college students manage their fear of failure and improve their coping strategies when it occurs. Students who practice self-compassion are more motivated, optimistic, and less likely to procrastinate, which can not only improve their mental health, but their grades as well. So what can we do to increase our self-compassion? The first step is to become mindfully aware of difficult situations in an objective way. If you get a poor grade on a P-set, instead of immediately criticizing your performance, start by simply acknowledging the situation for what it is: a poor grade and your feelings of disappointment or frustration. Next, extend to yourself kindness instead of criticism. Consider what you might say to a friend in the same situation or something you might do to help them feel better. You are deserving of the same words and actions you would extend to the people that you care about. Finally, remember that you are human and subject to success and failure just like everyone else. As a student, this is your time to try and fail in a safe environment and to learn from those misadventures. Think of ways to reframe your negative experience. As Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." So, to sum up, when you miss the mark, remember these three tips. Acknowledge the event and your emotions. Treat those emotions with kindness and encourage yourself to try again. And finally, remember that it's easier to be human than it is to be perfect. Life is a process, and so is silencing the inner critic. For more health and wellness tips, check out mitpe.mit.edu.